It's taken over 10 years and £6 billion to get to this moment. The maiden flight of the Airbus A380, the biggest airliner ever built.
C'est 100% partout. C'est bon.